Alright, I'm going to remove these coil packs and replace them. It's a very simple job. It's got 2 screws, one here and one in between the spark plugs on the front. So they're not on real tight. This is a 7/32. You could probably get away with a 5.5 millimeter as well. It's not very tight, and when you put it back down, make sure you don't over tighten it. Now, I'm actually only going to replace one at a time so I don't get my wires goofed as to where anything's at. So get that out of the way just so I have room for my fingers. Okay, 3 on the bottom, 6 on the top. Gotta find a way to keep them separate. Don't want to drop your screws down into anything because the new ones don't come with screws. Wouldn't be a bad idea to disconnect your battery cable, your negative, but just don't touch nothing. You're fine. Thing's not on, but it does carry a lot of voltage. So be smart. Just lift straight off of there. Get these 2 little prongs here. And you just set it down on these 2 little prongs right there. All right. So the new ones come with a new gasket, so I'll replace that as well at the time. All right. So come over here. Replace it with genuine GM parts. Let's find the part number. There's part number 1941891. You notice that the old ones are numbered as to what's what, but it doesn't matter. They're all interchangeable 100%. I numbered my wires, so I'll keep track of all that. So there's my gasket, my coil pack. I'm just gonna pause it real quick and I'm gonna get a pick. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this little pick and pluck out my gasket. It don't look like it's in bad shape, but I'll go ahead and replace it anyway. Put the new one in. Why does it feel like it's not sitting up on there right? Neighbors are tearing out their concrete steps, so can't help the noise. Sorry about that. Now, just enough to feel it snug. On to the next one. Get my fingers in there. And this one, 2's on top. This was the offending coil, but they're all the same age, so replacing them all. I think if you recall from video 1, they were at 148,000, something like that. Well, apparently I didn't loosen that. Code, I can't think when I'm on code. There we go. That one's already loosened. Seems like I only do car repairs when it's cold outside. That never goes wrong in the summer when it's nice and warm. It's always gotta be cold and I can't feel my fingers. If I can ever get inside the bag. It's the same upside down or backwards. All the same. I didn't check the first one, make sure it wasn't cracked or nothing. So, you see how simple it is. It's not rocket science. I'm not going to show you the third one because it's just the same as the first two. Once again, we don't over crank it. Go down even with them. That's my preferred way. Just snug. Just snug. Good. Alright. 2 on the top. Click. 5 on the bottom. Alright, so that's how you replace them. 2008 3.8 liter Series 3 GM.